It's day 4 and I'm heading up the mountain to the Pikler House on Utsa. We've learned so much important information about supporting caregivers and implementing the Pikler Approach, or respectful care for children. So I'm excited to see what we're going to learn today. There's so much that can be said about the Pikler Approach, but you can't really talk about it without talking about the history of Budapest, like how they got this incredible mansion in the most posh area to run an infant's home. When the communists took over Hungary, Emmi Pikler's husband was a high-ranking communist, and they were allowed to pick where they wanted to have their infant's home. An infant's home in Budapest is an orphanage. So today is day 4 at the Pikler House, learning about how to support caregivers in Budapest, learning this very unique model that they have. And I'm exhausted. My brain is taking in so much information.